Go.
Hello, Chef Chris Carton here from the River Center and the Adler Theater in Davenport, Iowa, talking about food rescue, what it means to us, why we're involved with it, and how it impacts the Quad City area and the surrounding communities. Many people in our community don't realize that 1 in 9 adults don't know where their next meal are coming from. 1 in 6 children, young children and teenagers in between, 1 in 6 don't know where their next meal is coming from. Over 16,000 people take advantage of the food shelters, the food pantries, and some of the different food programs that the Quad City Food Rescue program supplies. So we're involved because I feel it's our duty, not just as citizens, but especially as chefs in the hospitality industry, in the food industry, to be involved and not just participate with time, but with product. So in our case, we have culinary gardens outside that replace landscaping. Most of that goes directly to Quad City Food Rescue and the different food pantries and the shelters around the area. We also take many of our leftover product from different events, such as food shows, our large conventions, our concession style events, our concerts, and we donate that product late at night. The Quad City Food Rescue provides a one-stop shop for people like myself, chefs around the community and other industries, to make a phone call and have somebody come down any time of night and pick that product up and get it directly to who needs it the most, whoever that may be, either a shelter or a specific person or a specific family in need or what have you. So that's why we're involved. That's how I feel about the Quad City Food Rescue. And it's not just a responsibility, but more of a duty as human beings, as citizens, and as chefs. So please get involved if you're not. Thank you.